Hi everyone, this is Susie Mullins with the West Virginia Collegiate Recovery Network, and we want to congratulate the West Virginia Drug Intervention Institute on their grand opening downtown in Charleston and say how thrilled we are to have them as partners as we address prevention efforts and increasing naloxone access on campus around West Virginia. Congratulations.
Congratulations to Murphy Media. My good friend Murphy, what's up, brother? I would like to congratulate him and give him a word of encouragement and a word of acknowledgement that I've worked with Murphy before and he's an outstanding person. I love it down there. Hope to see you all soon. Aloha.
Congratulations, West Virginia DII and Murphy Media. I'm excited for your partnership and I'm excited for our community because I know you're going to have such a positive impact. Congratulations.
Hello, I'm Tawny Bryant of the West Virginia Department of Health and Human Resources, Bureau for Behavioral Health. I would like to congratulate Dr. Susan Bissett and her team at the West Virginia Drug Intervention Institute on the grand opening of their new location. Congratulations, Susan, and keep doing the great work that you're doing.
Hey, it's Margaret O'Neill with the United Way of Central West Virginia, sending big congratulations to Dr. Susan Bissett and the West Virginia Drug Intervention Institute. Grand opening of their Capitol Street office. So excited to have you in downtown Charleston. Congratulations.
My name is Dr. Norman Montalto. As an academic family medicine provider with managed care and population health experience, caring for Medicaid patients using a holistic approach is exciting. This strategy is powered by preventive approaches, educational initiatives, collaborative partnerships, advocacy, and research occurs. In addition, critically important educational services, advocacy components, and outreach will help address and reduce the social determinants of health that impact these individuals and families most directly. Congratulations on your opening.
Today's a great day. The ribbon cutting for the West Virginia Drug Intervention Institute and Murphy Media, announcing a new building and a new partnership. It's partnerships and collaboration that will really allow us as a state to address the opioid epidemic. So today's an exciting day because this is an announcement of a great partnership, and through the leadership of these two fine companies, more and more collaborations will be made and strengthened as we all work together to address this major problem in our state. Congratulations to West Virginia Drug Intervention Institute and Murphy Media. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Rebecca Linger, a professor at the University of Charleston School of Pharmacy, and I want to wish the West Virginia Drug Intervention Institute and Murphy Media a very welcome first year. It's been a tremendous experience working with you guys, and I hope to have many more collaborations to come.
Hey Susan, it's Ben Beeks with 3 Point Strategies. Hey, congratulations on your virtual ribbon cutting today and the work that your organization is doing to educate our community, families, children about medication safety. Your work is very important and we're happy to be a small part of that. So congratulations on your virtual ribbon cutting.
Hi, my name is Lindsay Akery. I'm a pharmacist with the University of Charleston School of Pharmacy, and I'm really excited to be here today to celebrate the partnership between DII and Murphy Media. They've really worked well together for years, but now they are downtown in one location, so you can work with both of them at the same time, which is great. And I'm sorry that I could not be there during the actual ribbon cutting, but I have my ribbon and I have my scissors, and so congratulations.
To Murphy Media and the West Virginia Drug Intervention Institute, congratulations on today's ribbon cutting. We know all the effort has gone into this project, and it's exciting to see it come together this way. We've had the pleasure of working with Murphy Media for the past few years, and we're excited to see what comes from this new venture. The DII is such an important organization, and we think Murphy Media will make a great partner with them in the mission to reduce overdose deaths in West Virginia. Congratulations again.
Congratulations, Susan, on all the great work that you and the staff do at the West Virginia Drug Intervention Institute. And congratulations on your new move downtown to your new headquarters. I've been delighted to watch the progress that you've made these past several months, and I look forward to all the great things that I know you'll be doing in the future.
Congratulations, West Virginia DII and Murphy Media, two outstanding companies partnering for some of the most wonderful causes. Congratulations. I'm proud to be a part of your virtual ribbon cutting.
My name is Patrick Morrissey, your Attorney General. I wanted to congratulate the Intervention Institute for its good work and for its virtual ribbon cutting today. We're in different times, so we have to talk a lot more online and virtually, but I'm very pleased with the work you're doing. For us to all be able to tackle the opioid epidemic, we need a large team. We need a lot of people taking dramatic action to stop the senseless death in our state, and I'm pleased that you're joining this effort. Thank you for everything you're doing.
I am Steve Williams. I've been seeing everybody cutting silver ribbons. I am so proud of Murphy Media. We've got one gold ribbon to be able to cut for Murphy Media. Joe, we're awfully proud of you.
Well, I'd like to say congratulations to the West Virginia Drug Intervention Institute, their grand opening of their office in downtown Charleston. But I'd really like to thank them for all the efforts that they're making and will make in the future for education, for prevention, for advocacy, for collaboration. We've got a real problem in our state and really across the nation, and I really admire the efforts of the West Virginia Drug Intervention Institute to try to put together solutions, to try to meet the problem where it is, and to help families and folks all around the state to try to get well, to meet the challenges of addiction, and to find out where those resources are. So good luck and congratulations on your grand opening.
Hello, I'm Senator Joe Manchin. It is a pleasure to be able to send you virtual greetings today as we celebrate the partnership of Murphy Media, Inc. and the WV Drug Intervention Institute, Inc. These entities work closely together to combat the opiate and substance abuse epidemic in West Virginia and reduce the overdose deaths in our state. West Virginia knows all too well the devastating effects of opiate and drug abuse on individuals, families, and communities. Last year alone, we lost over 70,000 people due to drug overdose. That's more than the number of people that we lost during the entire Vietnam War. Since 1999, more than 700,000 people died in the United States from drug overdoses, primarily related to prescription opiates. This epidemic is having a lasting effect on our families and communities. We have a responsibility, all of us, to step up and do everything that we can to combat this epidemic. As this drug misuse and abuse continues, more kids are being raised by grandparents and in foster care than ever. More babies are born with neonatal abstinence syndrome. If we're going to have a fighting chance to break the multi-generational cycle of addiction, prevention needs to start with our children and youth. I know that continuing to work together, we'll be able to fight this epidemic and have an impact on countless families in our home state. So thank you so much for all your hard work, and God bless each and every one of you.